slow down. I had to slow down about a third of the way and then let go, and then we're, what is it, 780 feet tall, high?
Or at least, yeah. And that's 1,800 meters.
And so on my what I did is to slow down. Then I had this, because I had the GoPro on my chest.
6 foot.
I had the GoPro on my chest. I went ahead and added Superman music to it, and you can see it slowed down. And when it crescendos is when it sped up.
That's
cool. It was perfect.
Perfect timing.
Yeah.
Awesome.
And he put Superwoman on mine.
On hers, yeah.
Yep.
Good job, Tom.
All right, Thomas. Oh, by the way,
My girlfriend told me
block of wood
yesterday
right
that
there? That right there in the line there? The block of wood on the cable right here in front of his face.
Oh, really? That is great. It's really exciting music.
If you come in too hot and he can't stop you, that will.
Yep, this right here stops the pulley. I stop your body and your legs.
Yeah.
The tree and the knee. That's why we tell you not to break in front, because guess what?
Yeah, yeah. Perfect.
Yeah, I've seen people do that. They'll break in front right in front of the
Oh my God.
Somebody boom.
Owie, 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 owie.